Asadong Matua is the best representation of Kapampangan cooking. So not really sisig, but it's asadong Matua because all the innovations are applied. After marinating, you have singkocha, and then after singkocha, you fry. And then you have gisa, and then you have braising. And then slow boil. It started in Santa Rita. They used the native tomatoes. People in Guagua started to work in Clark Air Base. They started buying tomato sauce.
Para sa asadong Matua, magigisa tayo ng bawang at sibuyas at ilalagay yung tomato sauce. Hihintayin natin itong maluto at magmantika bago ilagay yung broth na pinagpakuluan ng meat. We'll let this simmer for a while and then eventually ilalagay na rin natin yung meat plus potatoes and carrots. Pero marami pang pinagdaanan yung meat bago siya mailagay dyan. Pakukuluan muna nila yan tapos ipiprito. At ito yung mga ingredients na ginamit nila sa pagpapakulo nito.
Ginamit ko either calamansi or suka. Toyo, and then pepper, garlic, onions, laurel, and then bulgul. The riper the bell peppers, the better. Kahit yung tuna, mas masarap yun. It's sweeter. That's why we call it larang soklati because it's sweet. Sinasabay na rin namin yung carrots at patatas na malaking hiwa and then pina-fry na lang namin.
Pache po, pork yung kakabit yan, iprito din rin beforehand.
Yes.
Kinano po kabit na mo? Wala na, hinihintay na lang siyang magmamantika.
And that is Pampanga's Asadong Matua. Nako, excited na kaming mag-lunch.